The harpyeagle, harpyja, is a neotropical species of eagle. It is also called the American harpyeagle to distinguish it from the Papuan eagle, which is sometimes known as the New Guinea harpyeagle or Papuan harpyeagle. It is the largest and most powerful raptor found throughout its range, and among the largest extant species of eagles in the world. It usually inhabits tropical lowland rainforests in the upper, emergent, canopy layer. Destruction of its natural habitat has caused it to vanish from many parts of its former range, and it is nearly extirpated from much of Central America. In Brazil, the harpyeagle is also known as royal hawk in Portuguese, gavião-real, the genus Harpia, together with Harpyopsis and Morphnus, form the subfamily Harpiinae. The harpyeagle was first described by Carl Linnaeus in his landmark 1758 10th edition of Systema Naturae as vulture harpyja, after the mythological beast Harpy. The only member of the genus Harpia, the harpyeagle is most closely related to the crested eagle, Morphnus guineensis, and the New Guinea harpyeagle, Harpyopsis novaeguineae. The three composing the subfamily Harpiinae within the large family Accipitridae, previously thought to be closely related. The Philippine eagle has been shown by DNA analysis to belong elsewhere in the raptor family, as it is related to the Circaedonae. The specific name harpyja and the word harpy in the common name both come from ancient Greek harpia, Harpia. They refer to the harpies of ancient Greek mythology. These were wind spirits who flew the dead to Hades or Tartarus, purported to have the lower body and talons of a raptor and the head of a woman, standing anywhere from the height of a tall child to as high as a grown man. Some depictions have the creatures possessing an eagle-like body with the exposed breasts of an elderly female human, a giant wingspan and the head of a grotesque, sharp-toothed, mutant eagle, something more akin to a goblin with wings. The upper side of the harpyeagle is covered with slate-black feathers, and the underside is mostly white, except for the feathered tarsi, which are striped black. A broad black band across the upper breast separates the gray head from the white belly. The head is pale gray, and is crowned with a double crest. The upper side of the tail is black with 3 gray bands, while the underside of it is black with 3 white bands. The irises are gray or brown or red, the cere and bill are black or blackish, and the tarsi and toes are yellow. The plumage of males and females is identical. The tarsus is up to 13 centimeters, 5.1 in, long. Female harpyeagles typically weigh 6 to 9 kilograms, 13 to 20 pounds. One source states that adult females can weigh up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. An exceptionally large captive female, Jezebel, weighed 12.3 kilograms, 27 pounds, being captive. However, this large female may not be representative of the weight possible in wild harpyeagles due to differences in the food availability. The male, in comparison, is much smaller and may range in weight from 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8 to 13.2 pounds. The average weight of adult males has been reported as 4.4 to 4.8 kilograms, 9.7 to 10.6 pounds, against an average of 7.3 to 8.3 kilograms, 16 to 18 pounds, for adult females. A 35% or higher difference in mean body mass. Harpyeagles may measure from 86.5 to 107 centimeters, 2 feet 10.1 in to 3 feet 6.1 in total length, and have a wingspan of 176 to 224 centimeters, 5 feet 9 into 7 feet 4 in, among the standard measurements. The wing chord measures 54 to 63 centimeters, 1 foot 9 in 2 feet 1 in. The tail measures 37 to 42 centimeters, 1 foot 3 in 1 foot 5 in. The tarsus is 11.4 to 13 centimeters, 4.5 to 5.1 in, long. And the exposed culmen from the cere, the beak, is 4.2 to 6.5 centimeters, 1.7 to 2.6 in. Mean talon size is 8.6 centimeters in males, and 12.3 centimeters in females. It is sometimes cited as the largest eagle alongside the Philippine eagle, which is somewhat longer on average, between sexes averaging 100 centimeters, 3 feet 3 in, but weighs slightly less. And the Steller's sea eagle, which is perhaps slightly heavier on average. Mean of 3 unsexed birds was 7.75 kilograms, 17.1 pounds. The harpyeagle may be the largest bird species to reside in Central America. Though large water birds such as American white pelicans, Pelecanus erythrorhynchus, and jabiroos, Jabiru mycteria, have scarcely lower mean body masses, the wingspan of the harpyeagle is relatively small. Though the wings are quite broad, an adaptation that increases maneuverability in forested habitats and is shared by other raptors in similar habitats. The wingspan of the harpyeagle is surpassed by several large eagles that live in more open habitats, such as those in the Haliaeetus and Aquila genera. The extinct Haast's eagle was significantly larger than all extant eagles, including the harpy. This species is largely silent away from the nest. There, the adults give a penetrating, weak, melancholy scream, with the incubating male's call described as wispy screaming or wailing. The female's calls while incubating are similar, but are lower pitched. While approaching the nest with food, the male calls out rapid chirps, goose-like calls, and occasional sharp screams. Vocalization in both parents decreases as the nestlings age. While the nestlings become more vocal, the nestlings call chi-chi-chi. Chi-chi-chi-chi, seemingly in alarm in response to rain or direct sunlight. When humans approach the nest, the nestlings have been described as uttering croaks, quacks, and whistles. Relatively rare and elusive throughout its range, the harpyeagle is found from southern Mexico, Incal, Chiapas, Oaxaca and the Yucatan states, and south through Central America, into South America to as far south as Argentina. They can still be seen by tourists and locals in Costa Rica and Panama. As their preferred habitat is rainforest, they nest and hunt predominantly in the emergent layer. The eagle is most common in Brazil, where it is found across the entire country. With the exception of some areas of the aforementioned Panama and Costa Rica, the species is nearly extinct in Central America, likely due to the logging industry's decimation of much of the Mesoamerican rainforests. Their habitat is expected to decline further due to climate change. The harpyeagle prefers tropical, lowland rainforests and may also choose to nest within such areas from the